Everybody, welcome back to another video about Kava Token, my friends. Kava Token is now trending token, and absolutely that will become a top 50 token in the market very soon, my friends. Anyways, at this time the Kava Token holder is doing a very big mistake, so don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. Absolutely, this video is going to be very important for everybody, so keep watching this video complete. And again, I'm requesting everybody to please subscribe now channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, the currently latest price of the Kava in the market is 5.27 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the Kava. In 1.85% the price increased just in the last 24 hours. That's mean that Kava will give you profit, my friends. Absolutely, the changes is positive, so that's mean that they are giving profit, my friends. Anyways, now let me show you more details about Kava. But my friends, you know what, now Kava is absolutely, you can see, oh my god, from the price chart there's also clear that Kava is a profitable coin. Every time you can see a very massive jumps occur by Kava in the previous time and now also in this time, my friends. You can see the trading volume, the price changes, is everything is positive now in Kava, my friends. 1.72%, 4.60%, my friends, but that's gradually increasing, my friends, gradually, slowly, my friends. So my friends, that's mean that that is a long-term project, my friends. That is a long-term project, and it is now for more and more time. And now I'm recommending for everybody that please buy now more and more Kava. That will give you profit, not loss in the future. And my friends, now the important thing, you know what, at this time the people doing a very big mistake. So my friends, don't decide to sell, just hold for a long time. Absolutely, they give you profit. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.